How to get the dark mode on Snapchat on your Android device. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how you can easily enable the dark mode on Snapchat in your Android device. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Snapchat, and then from here, you just have to head over to your chat section. As you can see, my Snapchat right now is on light mode, and if I tap on my profile, everything here is on light mode. Now, if you want to turn this into dark mode, go ahead and tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Then once you get to your settings, scroll down and you will see this options right here that says app appearance. Go ahead and tap on it. So here are quite a few options. The two ones are very similar and straightforward. The first one is light mode and always dark mode. So once you do that, it will be either light mode or dark mode. But if you want to match it to your system, for example, I have dark mode turned on my device. So if I tap on it and restart my app, the dark mode will be enabled right here. And if you want to turn on the custom app appearance, you can do that by subscribing to Snapchat Plus. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.